Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Fibaro Smart Dimmer with Home Assistant, full guide step by step clearly. To set up the Fibaro Smart Dimmer with Home Assistant, start by ensuring that you have all the necessary components. You will need a Fibaro Smart Dimmer, a compatible light fixture, and your Home Assistant setup. First, power off your existing light fixture to ensure safety during installation. Next, remove the light switch from the wall by unscrewing it and disconnecting the wires. Now, connect the Fibaro Smart Dimmer to the wiring in the wall following the instructions provided in the package. Ensure that you connect the live, neutral, and load wires correctly to avoid any electrical issues. After the wiring is complete, securely attach the Fibaro Smart Dimmer inside the wall box. Now, restore power to the light fixture and ensure the dimmer is working properly. Next, open your Home Assistant interface on your computer or smartphone. Go to the Settings section, then navigate to Integrations. Click on the Add Integration button and search for Z-Wave. Select the Z-Wave integration and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Once the Z-Wave integration is connected, click on Add Node. Put the Fibaro Smart Dimmer into inclusion mode by pressing the button on the device. Your Home Assistant should now detect the Fibaro Smart Dimmer as a new device. Confirm that the Smart Dimmer appears in your list of devices within Home Assistant. You can now customize the dimmer settings according to your preferences. To control the dimmer, go to the Overview page in Home Assistant. You should see the Fibaro Smart Dimmer displayed, allowing you to adjust the brightness. To automate or schedule your dimmer, navigate to the Automations tab in Home Assistant. Create a new automation and set the desired conditions and actions for your dimmer. Finally, test the automation to ensure it works seamlessly with your smart dimmer. With these steps completed, your Fibaro Smart Dimmer is now fully set up and integrated with Home Assistant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.